subjects, or Disco, one of his subjects that he teaches is formation flying. As you can see, that was a fantastic display of formation flying. The aircraft now going to split. It's gorgeous to fly in the air, but a Spitfire is a bit of a handful on the ground. And that's one of the reasons why, regrettably, we couldn't come in here yesterday, was because of the crosswind limit. And Disco's tutor that he flies as tricycle undercarriage, very easy, very forgiving on the ground. A tailwheel aircraft such as the Spitfire, very tricky, especially in a crosswind. So I said this aircraft actually fought in the Battle of Britain. The reason I know it did is because if you look at the elevator, there's a little riveted patch. This is where it was hit by a 20mm cannon shell. It was in the middle of 1940, it was flying Force 603 Squadron, City of Edinburgh, Royal Auxiliary, being flown by a Pole, Ludwig Bartel. He was injured, the aircraft was quite seriously damaged, but he brought it back to base. P7 was repaired, saw action up until 1941, and then moved into training squadrons. And eventually, at the end of the war, she was sold for scrap for £25. So you could have been looking at a baked bean can up there. But the scrap merchant realised what he got, and he gifted it back to the Royal Air Force. When we put the aircraft into a major or major plus service, we changed the colour scheme. And this for us is fantastic because it means that we can celebrate either a particular unit or squadron or a particular race. And this aircraft is wearing the colours of 41 Squadron. 41 Squadron celebrating their anniversary, 100th anniversary this year, and there's a 41 Squadron Typhoon on the display line if you want to go and look at that. P7 represents the colours of Pilot Officer Eric Locke. Eric was the highest scoring pilot at the Battle of Britain with 26.5 kills. Although he survived the Battle of Britain, he was injured. And although I definitely know that out there's a couple of air cadets, even more, that in 10-15 years time will be flying a Typhoon or an F-35, I reckon there's at least one of you guys out there that's going to be flying that Hurricane in 10-15 years time. LF first flew with the Poles in 1944. She's been operational as well. And interestingly enough, after the war she wasn't scrapped. The Royal Air Force kept her on charge, and she was one of the founding aircraft of what was then called the historic aircraft flight. Like P7, she's a bit of a film star. The film The Battle of Britain. So I think Trevor Howard has been filmed in the cockpit of LF, and Michael Caine in P7. Sadly, in 1991, LF was almost completely destroyed in a fire. She crash landed at RAF Wittering, and the pilot broke his ankle in the crash, but was able to sprint away from the fireball. Not bad. Although a 2C, LF is actually wearing the colours of a Mark I Hurricane from No. 1 Squadron during the Battle of Britain. Keen-eyed amongst you will notice there's a wasp emblem. All those who served in the Air Forces that are represented here today. From the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, RIAT, thank you.